Hello everyone, I'm Nancy Ogbebo and you are welcome to my kitchen. Today let me show you how I made this tasty and easy okpa recipe, and this was so easy. So without wasting much of our time, let's jump right into it. Here is my Bambara nut flour, also known as okpa flour, and this is 4 cups. And I have 4.5 cups of lukewarm water, 23 tablespoons of palm oil. I have my salt to taste, my 2 seasoning cube. I use 2 seasoning cube for this. So I have my scotch bonnet pepper and my cayenne pepper, and I'll be using nylon bag for this recipe. And I'll be adding in my lukewarm water into my bowl, and this lukewarm water, if you put your hand will be able to relax in it. And I'll be adding in my palm oil, and I'm adding it gradually. And I'll be adding in my Bambara nut flour, also known as okpa flour, to give this a mix. Just mix this properly to avoid lumps. And I enjoyed this process because it was not stressful at all. So just gradually mixing your palm oil, mixing your water and your okpa flour until you are done. And this was so very easy. This process will make you to make okpa like every time. I mean every time. So you continue stirring, just gradually stirring it. So I'll be adding in my seasoning cube now. So I'm going to crush this and pour it into my mixture, and I'll be adding in my cayenne pepper and my scotch bonnet pepper. So I'll be adding in my salt, and this is to taste. So give this a quick stir, mix everything to combine, and this was really easy. Okay, so I'll be tying this now, and I have my nylon bag and I'll be doubling it. Okay, this is how I'll be doing it. I'll use my glass so to avoid it spilling. So I'll be scooping in my mixture into the nylon bag, and I'll be tying this. Look at how neat it is, and it is done. I'm done with tying it, and my water is on the heat already boiling. So I'll be transferring my okpa mixture into the boiling water. And please, before cooking it, shake the nylon before dropping it inside the hot water. So just shake it and it is good to go. And I'll be cooking this for about 50 minutes, and here it is. The result was amazing. Let's see what we have in, and look at how beautiful it is. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in my next one.